This one might be my last one for the day. This is the old Capital Town Center. G&P Square. That's nice. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. Montgomery Dependable Elevators, Moline, Illinois. Love me a good interior glass elevator. Hell yeah. And that G&P Square. Are you alright? You're doing like a quadruple chime on me. Let's do a cab view. I think that's kind of adorable though. And it's doing a little double chime. Beautiful picture window. And it's the old logo. And watch the button go out and the indicator. Or we can just watch the button go out. I didn't mean to assume. Oh, wait, it's got a bumper. Hang on, it's got a bumper. Obligatory. Ooh. Quick to react. There it goes, and that's it.